If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube faceless channel or a YouTube automation channel, maybe one of the things stopping you from just doing it is the fact that you don't have a lot of time. The good news is that with the help of new AI technology, creating a faceless YouTube channel has become easier than ever before. And I mean easy in the way that it's literally saving hundreds and hundreds of hours worth of work involved, typically. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the 4 basic steps needed to create a faceless YouTube video, and I will go over which AI tools you can use for each step along the way. Step number 1 is to pick your niche. The first step is to pick a niche or a topic that you want your channel to be about. If you have absolutely no idea what topic to build your channel around, then this is where AI can help you. The tool we're going to use for this step is called vidIQ's AI Coach. You might have heard of vidIQ because it's very popular in terms of doing keyword research for videos. But did you know that they also have a chatbot very similar to ChatGPT? I know, I was shocked too. And it's actually pretty incredible because it's just like ChatGPT, but it's catered and tailored specifically to YouTube. So you can ask it questions specific to YouTube and it will answer them. Think about how valuable of a tool that is. So let's do an example here. So for help with picking a niche, we're going to ask AI Coach, give me a list of 30 niches for faceless channel ideas that require a voiceover only. Let's see what it spits out. Here we go. So this is a great list of potential niches. So go through it and see what interests you and pick one. You can even then go on to ask the AI coach, what are good video topics in health and wellness? And it'll give you this additional list, so now you know exactly what type of videos to make. This usually requires so much mental energy and brainstorming, and now you can literally kind of just have someone answer it for you. Step number 2 is to write the script for the video. Now typically this step in the process is something that can take hours and hours and days worth of work to do, because you have to research the topic and then you have to consolidate all the information and then you have to write it all out in a way that's cohesive and makes sense for your audience in order to present it in a YouTube video. However, now you can use AI to do all of this for you. And the AI tool we're gonna use here is the infamous one and only ChatGPT. ChatGPT is known in the industry right now to have impeccable writing and summarization skills. So use this to your advantage. So for example, let's go into ChatGPT and let me enter in, can you write me a 3-minute YouTube script on stress management techniques? And look at this. In less than a minute, this is beautiful. And here's your script. Here's your script for your video. If you're getting any value from this video at all, it would really mean a lot if you hit that subscribe button. This way you're notified anytime I upload similar videos. Step number 3 is to create the actual video. And by this I mean getting together stock images and videos and compiling it to make an actual physical aesthetic video that the viewer watches. For creating the video part of this, you can use an AI tool called Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai is a really easy and good video editor tool to use. And don't worry, it's not like your typical video editor where you have all these different levels and, you know, it can get complicated. It's not like that at all, I promise. You really don't need any technical skills for this, and you don't need to download any software either. You can just do this on the Pictory.ai website. All the magic happens here on this website. Now, the reason why I absolutely love Pictory.ai and why I think it's so easy is because all you have to do is copy and paste your script over from ChatGPT into Pictory.ai, and then based on the text, Pictory.ai automatically comes up with pictures and videos that make sense for that text. So it's all automated and you literally don't have to do much. Again, if you do this step manually, it takes hours just finding all of these stock images and then compiling them and seeing what makes sense for your text. But Pictory.ai does all of this for you. And then if there is a picture or video that you don't like or you don't think makes sense for your text, you can go in and just change that up and edit it. So please take advantage of this very powerful tool. Step number 4 is to do a voiceover. Now in a traditional faceless YouTube or automation channel, you could either 1, do the voiceover yourself, or 2, hire someone and outsource it to do it for you. However, you can now use AI to do this step. And the AI tool we're going to use for this step is called Resemble.ai. I know YouTube recently has been cracking down more and more on robotic AI type voices and demonetizing channels because of it, because they want more authenticity on these channels and they want content that's going to provide value. And if you don't do that, and if your AI voice is sounding way too robotic, then you might run the risk of not getting monetized. However, Resemble.ai's voice generator lets you create literally human-like voiceovers in seconds. You can actually even clone your own voice for free. So this tool is pretty advanced and you shouldn't have an issue with a robotic AI sounding voice. Step number 5 is to create a thumbnail. Now for this one, we're gonna go back into our favorite ChatGPT and I'm literally gonna type in, give me 5 different ideas for a YouTube thumbnail titled 5 Stress Management Techniques. And look at this, ChatGPT is yet again throwing out some fire. So take a read through these and see which one you want to go with and what makes sense as a concept for your video. And then to take it a step further, you can actually enter in these prompts or these ideas into another AI tool called Stable Diffusion and see what it comes up with. Stable Diffusion will help you come up with a really cool concept for a background image for your thumbnail. And I admit some of these can get really funky, so go over it, see if you like any of them, and see if any of them make sense for your video. As a bonus tip, if you want help coming up with a specific title for your video, you can also hop back on to vidIQ's AI Coach and they will help you come up with good titles with good keywords as well. Now, starting a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools is wonderful, but if you're looking for even more easy business ideas using AI, then that's exactly what I go over in this video here. I'll catch you in the next video.